welcome to the next video. In the last video, we tore down the front-facing camera and LiDAR sensors. Well, not the LiDAR sensors yet, but yeah. But today we're gonna focus on this one with this sensor shift mechanism. So it seemed to popped up. There's the sensor, but we're on the wrong side of it. There it is. These coils allow the sensor to shift around the actual, like, this sensor. It's way almost the same size as the front-facing camera. Here, let's get these magnets off. Bit in the way. Whoops. Accidentally just cracked the main sensor. But now we could take a look at the actual lens sensing shift. It uses these copper coils to interact with these magnets, allowing it to do the sensor shift for the camera. I think it would work again. Comment down below if you think this camera could work again. Everyone works a little bit better with the new eye. Thank you guys for watching.